guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video shows how to create an Overleaf account. As usual, this video is really interesting. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would be happy to answer any questions you may have in the comment section. Before wasting time, let's begin the video. You will need to open a browser first. Type Overleaf in the search box. You can find the official Overleaf website. Click on it. If you already have an account, log in. Now I'm going to create a new account. Click Sign Up. Enter your email address. Then enter the password you would like to use. Click Create Account. Now, you need to verify your email address. Open your email account on your mobile device or in any browser. You should see a message from Overleaf in your inbox. Copy the 6-digit confirmation code and paste it into the Overleaf website. Then click Confirm and Continue. You can try the premium version for free, but I will skip that for now. Enter your name and continue. Select the suitable options provided in the box. Finally, you have successfully created your Overleaf account. You can see a lot of templates here. Choose one that you like for your project. I will explain all the other features of Overleaf in the next video. Now click on Blank Project for your new project. Enter the project name and click Create. Now I'm going to type the sample project. After clicking Recompile, you can see your output here. You can also share your projects with your friends and colleagues by entering their email addresses and inviting them. They can edit and view your project as you wish. We will discuss all the other features of Overleaf in the next video, so please subscribe for more LaTeX contents. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a red heart in the comment box, share this video with your friends, contact me through Instagram or email for customized project or thesis work. Finally, subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about LaTeX. Thank you for watching.